Hey guys, this is Tenchi, and here are my teammates Nadim and Danny.
Hello.
Hello.
Alright, Nadim, would you like to explain how the game Rummikub works?
Yeah, so Rummikub is a competitive tile-based puzzle game. Every player starts off with 14 tiles, and their goal is to create as many sets and runs from their hand of tiles in order to get rid of all the tiles in their hand. Once they get rid of all the tiles in their hand, then they win the game. Danny's gonna introduce the main game to us.
So when we first boot up the game, we are greeted with a welcome to Rummikub message, and we see the color key for each of the tiles. They all have a color red, blue, yellow, or black. The jokers are colorless. Black is of course green because we're playing on a black background. Each tile has a value associated with it, so it's got a color and a value 1 through 13, and jokers have no value. When we want to begin playing, we can choose 2, 3, or 4 players, or we can go into our solver and input our own custom board and hand and solve those. And Nadim's going
Yes,
to tell us about that.
Yeah, so as Danny was saying, when you enter Solver, we can enter our secret cheat code menu, and that allows us to enter a custom board and custom hand. So Danny, please enter the custom board. Thank you. And as you can see, it'll perfectly format the sets and runs into groups in our board. And then Dan's gonna enter the custom hand right now, and that'll also format that properly and put it into our solver's hand. Now we're able to select which type of solver we want to use. We made two solvers. We made a going out solver and a regular solver. The going out solver optimizes for uh, getting the highest number of points possible in the least amount of tiles, and the regular solver is just the uh, best way to solve the board. So let's try the going out solver first. Let's G. And as you can see, it adds 30 points to the board in group 2, which is Y10, R10, B10. Um, in order to go out, you need to have at least 30 points, and that's exactly what the solver does. It looks for the best way to solve for 30 points. Uh, I think let's try it again with the solver this time instead of the going out solver. So we're going to enter solver here to access the secret menu. We're going to enter the custom board and the custom hand, and then enter S for solver. Perfect. And as you can see, the normal solver is able to completely solve the board because it's using a completely different algorithm. Let's play the whole game, or let's play again, and this time let's actually uh, play ourselves instead of using the solvers.
So we've got 3 players, and I'll be player 1. First thing to do is check and see if I have enough to go out. It doesn't look like it. Could do K10, Joker, K13, but that's
Not
not going to get me to 30. I'm going to go ahead and use the solver, see if there's something I don't see. Oh, there was. I missed the 3s. So the solver played the 3s and the 13s along with the Joker for me, got me over 30 points, and I'm in the game. That's all I can do. So I'm going to go ahead and
You could
end my
try the
turn.
full solve again.
I could try full solve. It doesn't look like there's anything else I can do, so might as well give it a shot. Yep, nothing I could do.
So the solving, when you select option 3, it'll automatically do going out solve first if you haven't already gone out.
Mhm.
If you have already gone out, then it will do the full solve algorithm.
Alright, so now that I'm done with my turn, I'm going to pass it over to Tenchi, player 2.
Alright, let's see. Um, just from looking at it, it looks like,
Got some
ooh,
11s.
some 11s, yeah. Let's try the 11s. Play
So
tiles.
we can go play those tiles, and it tells you that you need enough points. B11, R11.
Need to have 30 points in order to go out onto the board.
That's more than
Since we
30.
have 33 points, we should be fine.
Yeah.
And there it is.
So
All right.
Tenshi's on the board now.
I'm on the board now, so
And
let's
let's
try
just run
using
the
solve. Yeah.
just to make sure. Yeah.
I don't think it
Okay.
changed anything.
I don't think so either.
Moved some stuff around, but that's about it.
All right.
And that's it for your turn.
End my turn.
Alrighty.
So how the end turn option works before I start my turn is if you have played any tiles onto the board, then you do not have to draw a tile. Otherwise, it'll automatically draw a tile and add it to your hand. Okay, so I'm gonna start my turn now. I don't see anything. Unless I'm blind. Let's try the solve algorithm.
Mm.
Yeah, I don't have anything. So I'm gonna
Can't go
end my
out.
turn, and that'll automatically draw a tile for me. Let's just run through everything one more time.
I don't think I can add anything, but let's give it a shot. Nope.
Yeah.
Draws a tile for me.
All right.
Tenchi, just try to play tiles just so they can.
Nothing's changed for you.
I don't
We can
think so.
try
Yeah.
and play tiles and enter something invalid. For
Let's try
example,
that.
Y8.
So yeah, if you want to
K8.
play tiles onto the board, you have to select the groups first. If you want to play tiles onto the board after you've already gone out, you have to select which groups you want to customize.
0, 1,
So let's
2,
do like let's do just 0 and 1 right now.
0, and 1.
So it'll show us which tiles we are able to use to customize, and then we can either input something incorrectly, so try that.
Let's try R13, J0, Y10. And that's it. Not a valid group.
Yeah. So our checker will make sure that you're using all the tiles that you've taken out from the board, and you're only using tiles from your hand, or from the tiles you've taken out from the board. Do you want to do it one more time, and this time try to do it correctly?
We can. I don't think we have any groups.
Just
but we can
insert,
do it.
take 0 and 1 out, and then insert them back in, or 1 and 2. Yeah.
0 and 1. R11, B11, Y11, R. We need a spacer. R13, J0.
Should allow you to do
K13.
that.
And it doesn't let us because we didn't add any tiles from our hand.
Oh, yes, that's true. Okay.
Very important.
Mhm.
Okay. I think that's it for player 2.
Alright. Player 3, that's me.
You now have a 15th tile.
So I do have a 15th tile now. It did automatically add it. And I think I don't have any moves either. Try a full solve. Or try going out.
Still nothing.
Yeah, I can't go out. Nothing.
I think that's...
Alright, well, I think that's a good demo of how our code works. If anyone wants to add anything, please go ahead.
That's it.
I think that's it.
Perfect.
All right, guys. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching.